Hello and welcome back, everyone. So in the previous video, we looked at the user journey of our mobile application, the digital wallet, and how to create an account, how to actually connect a backup payment method with your credit card and start topping it up. And we also looked at how can we activate a shared wallet or a family wallet where you can invite other members to have access to the same thing, so they can top up, you can top up, and you can all have access, but also the same control of how the wallet is working, right? This is great. Now we have wallets with money in them, but they want to spend it somewhere, right? And that's where this video comes in. We are going to take a look at how the operator portal looks like and what mobility service providers can do in there to actually start registering their applications and get access keys to start taking payments out of these wallets. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So once you have been given access into the dashboard, you will be presented this, right? You will be given credentials and you can create, invite others, etc. into this. But this is what the operator portal looks like. There's a couple of things that needs to go that goes in here. You have the dashboard, which gives you a very quick overview of how it's performing. You also have the billing and the payouts. And since this is a very, very fresh account, we don't have any registered payments yet. We have not made any payouts either. So let's change that. Let's actually start going into the apps and accesses, right? So your organization has been given an account into the Eljun platform, but you actually have to register the different types of services that you are offering out on the onto the customer. So we're going to take a look at that now. We're going to create an application, and we're currently in the Eljun AB test account. So I can do, for the sake of it, I will just do EV charging to go. And then all of your charging needs in one application. So we're gonna just create. These names are not going to be shown too much in the actual wallet integrations, but it's going to be shown in the checkout. So it's good to have these sort of updated as well. And you will be given access to certain type of services that you have. So this is a dialogue between, of course, your organization and us. And if you are offering EV charging or scooter rentals on a free-floating basis, or maybe some public transportation things, we have EV rentals as well. We also have subscriptions for all different kinds of services. But this test account has been set up to provide EV charging, scooter rentals, and public transportation. I will do EV charging, and then we're going to create this application. And there we have it. That's all you needed to do. Now you have an API key, and this is what you will use to have access to the actual APIs that you can use to integrate the wallet into your application. There is some links here that you can access. This link to the documentation that we have, and I invite you to check that out. You can also always reach out to us to get these links, etc. And then you can also go to the billing, which then, of course, just goes to this way. Okay, so now we have access. Now it's a decision you have to make in Opera how you want to actually start taking payments in here. The Eljun Digital Wallet provides actually 3 different ways to take payments. From the easiest perspective and the least integration is that you can present a QR code to the customer, and then they will go into the Eljun mobile application to actually scan this QR code and complete the payment. We realize, and we have heard from you, that the customer journey, you want to own it, and we are fully intended for you to drive your customer relation, right? So we also do provide the wallet as a service integration where the customer never leaves your interface. And the only thing that they will ever see is that, okay, it's paid by with Eljun, right? Or it's a one click pay and you have logged in with the wallet into your application. But you control the experience, you control the journeys, and you control also how the user actually interacts with your application and taking the final payment. Right. So with that said, I think it's time to jump into the next video where we're going to take a look at actually how we do one of these payments, and we're going to start with the QR code scanning. Perfect.